Seema and thanks for clicking in. Well, today I'm going to deal with a very basic grammar lesson, but one that is very often confused because we have three very common words that you can see on the board and they all are pronounced the same way. So you have there, and again you have there. Well, even though all these words are pronounced in the same way, their meanings are totally different. So I'm going to help you understand what is the difference in their meaning and how to use it in a different way depending on what you are trying to say. So our first word is there, which spells T-H-E-R-E. Now to remember when you're going to use this word, always you've got to keep in mind or bear in mind that there with the T-H-E-R-E talks about a place or a location. So whenever you are indicating that a thing or a person is at a particular place or a particular location, you use the word T-H-E-R-E. So you could say something like, the car was parked there. Well, why am I using this word, T-H-E-R-E? Because I am indicating or talking about a specific location. It could be a parking lot. It could be somewhere in a basement. It could be just about in any place or any location, and therefore I use the word there. Okay. The second word is again there because the pronunciation, as I said before, is the same. However, the spelling is T-H-E-I-R. Now, when do you use the word there in a sentence? Whenever you are talking about ownership. Ownership meaning that something belongs to you or something that you possess. So when you talk about ownership or something belonging to you or someone else or something that you possess or somebody else possesses, then automatically this is the word that should come to mind while writing or talking about, saying a sentence. So there, it basically replaces a singular or a plural noun. Okay, let's have a look at one of the sentences. Okay, this is their apartment. Now when I say there, I am saying that the apartment belongs to some people. It could be owned by Mr. and Mrs. Roberts. So as I said, there replaces a singular or a plural noun. In this case, it is owned by two different people, so it replaces a plural noun, that is Mr. and Mrs. Roberts. So I say, this is their apartment. If you want a sentence that replaces a singular noun, I could say, this is their city. City is a singular noun, and you use the word there, again replacing a singular noun, but in both cases, there is used to talk about ownership or the fact that something belongs to someone or some person. Okay, and the third way of using the same word there, but with a whole different spelling, which is T-H-E-Y''R''E. Now, just to let you know, this is a different way of saying they are. So if you contract or join both these words, you will say there. You won't say they are. So when you are a beginner in English, you will use they are. But once you start speaking English quite fluently, you will try to join words together because you're talking very fast. And that's when you say there instead of they are. Okay. Now, they are is basically used for a plural, and are is basically the present tense of the verb be. So when you are talking about a plural, people or things, and you are talking about something in the present, as far as the verb be is concerned, you will use the word they are. So that's how it's pronounced as there. All right, so you can say they're going to a movie. Now, why do I say they're going to a movie? Because I'm saying they are going to a movie. Okay, so they are going to a movie. So we're talking about a plural. We're talking about many people, and they are. So they're doing something. So they are going to a movie. All right. Well, that's it from me on this lesson on the difference between the usage of the three words, which are all pronounced as there. I hope you've understood the difference and found it very interesting, and I hope you apply it when you speak correctly. Well, that's it from me on this lesson, and I'll be back with some more. Until then,